Hey, today I got my phone case for my Samsung 26. It comes along with this really nice carrying case where it has slots for your cards as well as a magnetic so that you can take the phone off and put it right back on. It's magnetic, which is great, so you can separate the phone from the actual case. Also, you can go ahead and lock it up with another magnetic clamp here. It has the perfect opening for my camera. It comes in multiple colors. It comes with a little wrist so that you can hold it on like that as well, and it's really sturdy and holds the phone very well. It comes for multiple phones, so if you have a different phone, you can go ahead and order the one that applies to the phone that you have. I love the finish that it has. It's nice and smooth. It looks fancy, so you can take it to those fancy events. It also has this pleather covering, so it makes it look nice and genuine and very professional.